Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So isn't this adorable? Here we are at Michael's and we're looking at the seasonal decor. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. How cute this is, the little chicks with the boots. $12.99, but it's 40% off, guys. And I'm really liking this. Isn't that adorable? So here are the bunnies, and then here are the little birds and the chicks. Is that not adorable? It almost looks like hydrangeas. And look at the carrots and the bunnies, the bling bunnies. These are adorable, guys. What nice chargers. I'm loving the chargers, guys. Very pretty. And there are the table runners. And over there are the macarons. These are really pretty as well. But these are $6.99. Well, mine is 40% off. And then you have the napkins. And I'm really liking these. And look at the bunnies up there. So here's the sale price board. All right. I'm loving the Easter eggs. These are ornaments. I love the colors. And look at these. Very pretty. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. I really like these plates. Pretty amazing, guys. I love this. Isn't that adorable? And these are nice tier tray decor, and I'm loving those. Very pretty. And then here is a charger. I like that. There you go.